¡Ay, mi madre! ¿Algún sonido para
That
que abra la
is
boca?
one of the rarest spotted birds.
Mira con quién lo sopla. No, no la vayas a espantar, déjala.
And well, that is probably why it seems so strange to everyone. Like, this is one unique appearance. Just look at those camouflage feathers. That is also what makes them hard to spot.
Cuidado, nos va a tirar yuca. ¡Ay, mi madre!
Oh yeah,
Ay,
you
yo me
should be
voy.
scared. You should be thankful you haven't heard its haunting calls. Oh my god, they're scary.
Mueve, mueve.
Oh no. A pit bull on rampage is one of the worst experiences you can have. Oh god, no. Just when he thought he got away, the pit bull caught up. Oh, but I gotta say, the runner is dealing with the dog better than the owner. It was genius not to run away, cause you cannot outrun a pit bull.